नमस्ते जेबिन.
खुश रहो बिटिया. I, Jebin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic optimization technique. Optimization technique topic belongs to the research methodology and biostats for the B Pharm 8th semester students. Now we come to the definition of optimize. What is optimize? The term optimize is to make perfect. It is defined as follows: choose the best element from some set of available alternatives. An art, process, or methodology of making something, a design system or decision, a perfect and as functional as effective and possible. So the introduction of optimization technique. In development projects, pharmacist generally experiments by a series of logical steps, carefully controlling the variables and changing one at the time until satisfactory results are obtained. This is how to optimization done in pharmaceutical industry. It is the process of finding the best way of using the existing resource while taking in the account of all the factors that influences decision in any experiments. Final product not only meets the requirement from the bioavailability, but also from the practical mass production criteria. Now we come to the advantage of optimization technique. Optimization technique advantage yield the best solution within the domain of study. Require favor experiments to achieve an optimum formulation. Can trace any rectify problem in a remarkable easier manner. Now we come to the protocol of the optimization parameters. First one is optimization parameters is divided into two parts. First one is problem type and second one is variable. Further, problem type is divided into two parts. First one is constrained and next one is unconstrained. Now next one is variable is further divided into two parts. First one is dependent and next one is independent. First one is problem types. Problem types is divided into two types, unconstrained and constrained. So firstly, we will discuss about the unconstrained. In unconstrained optimization problem, there are no restrictions. And for a given pharmaceutical system, one might wish to make the hardest table possible. The making of the hardest table is the unconstrained optimization problem. And now we come to the constraint. The constraint problem involved in it is to make the hardest table possible, but the must disintegrate in less than 15 minutes. Now we come to the variables. Variables are also divided into two parts. First one is independent variables and second one is dependent variables. Independent variables are under the control of the formulator. These might include the compression force or the dye cavity filling or the mixing time. The dependent variables are the responses or the characteristics that are developed due to the independent variables. The more the variables that are present in the system, in the more the complication that are involved in the optimization. Once the relationship between the variable and the response is known, it gives the response surface as represented. Classical optimization is done by the using the calculus to basis problem to find the maximum and the minimum of a function. The curve in the figure represent the relationship between the response y and the single independent variable x. We can obtain the maximum and minimum by using the calculus. The graphical representation can avoid it if the relationship in equation. So the graphical, there are counter plots, and which is the axis represent two independent variables x1 and x2, and continuous is y. Drawback of classical optimization, applicable only to the problem that are not too complex and they do not involve more than two variables. More than two variables graphical representation is impossible. Applied optimization method, first one is evolutionary operation and simplex method, Lagrangian method, search method, and canonical analysis. Flow chart of the optimization, first one is input and real system, then output. Input factor level is the mathematical model of the system and response, and further procedure is completed for the optimization procedure. Evolutionary operation, it is a method of experiment of optimization. Small changes in the formulation or process are made in continue until until no further change takes place, that is if has reached optimum the peak. The result of changes are stats analysis, and where we have to select this technique. This technique is especially well suited to a production situation, and the process is run in a way that both produce our product that meet all specification and generate information on product improvements, applied mostly to tables. Now we can come to the advantages: generate information on product development and predict the direction of improvement. Now we come to the limitations: more repetition is required, time consuming process, and not efficient. This is a expensive to use. So for example, tablet. How can we get hardness? By changing the concentration of binder, and hardness is response. In this example, a formulator can changes the concentration of binder and get the desired hardness. Simplex method, it is an experimental method applied for the pharmaceutical system. Technique has a wider appeal in an analytical method other than formulation and processing. Simplex is a geometric figure that has one more point, that a number of factors. It is represented by triangle. It is determined by comparing the magnitude of the responses after each successive calculation. Type of the simplex method, two types. First one is a basic simplex method and modified simplex method. Now we come to the basic simplex method. It is easy to understand and apply. Optimization begins with the initial trial, and number of initial trial is equal to the number of control variables plus 1. These initial trials from the first simplex. Rules of the basic simplex. The first rule is to reject the trial with the least favorable value in the current simplex. The second rule is never to return to control variable level than that have just been rejected. Modified simplex method, it can adjust its shape and size depending on the response in each steps. This method is also called the variable size simplex method. First one is rule. Contrast, the move was taken in the direction of less favorable condition. So step involving determine the object function, determine the constraint, change in quality constraints in equality constraint from the larger function of the f, and partially differentiation of the functions. Example, optimization of the tablet. Phenyl propanol and X1 disintegration, lubricants, and X2 are dependent variables. So the polynomial model relating the response variables to independent were generated by the backward step regression analysis program. So constraint optimization problem is to locate the level of the stearic acid. Stearic acid is also the parameter of the tablet hardness, and it is the requirement of the final tablet or the hardness be 8 to 10 kg and T50 for the better solution and better solubility. Search method, it is defined by the appropriate equation. It do not require continue and differentially functions. It is applied to pharmaceutical system. The response surface is searched by the various methods to find the combination of independent variables and yield optima. It takes place 5 independent variables into account and is computer assisted. Steps involving a search method, select system and select variables independent or dependent, perform experiments and test product, submit data for stats and set specification. Example, dependent variables and independent variables, disintegration time, hardness and dissolution is in the dependent variables, and independent variables like example, diluent ratio and compression force. So this is the complete protocol of this session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I resolve it your problem from the problem resolving classes. So thank you students, and thank you for the listening.